welcome to Kaustubhs hacking tutorial, and this is our second part of denial of service attack. And in this video we will discuss how to perform a DOS attack using httperf and GoldenEye and Apache benchmark. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purpose only. Don't try this at home without appropriate permission. Okay, so stop wasting time, we are starting our video. In last video we had seen what is denial of service attack, types of denial of service attack, and how denial of service attack work, and the types of denial of service attack we had seen the ping of death attack, smurf attack, and TCP snag attack. Okay, so in this video we are actually performing the attack on our web server, which is running on 10.0.1.9 or something. So IP of this web server is 10.0.9.1. okay, so what we are covering today, we are checking our we are making checklist of what we require to perform a denial of service attack, and we are actually performing a denial of service attack today, and we are using a tool httperf, GoldenEye and Apache benchmark to perform a denial of service attack. And all we need is just a little knowledge of Linux, working internet connection, and two machines, like one web server and one is our client machine from which we are going to attack, and tools like Apache benchmark, httperf and GoldenEye. GoldenEye you will get it from GitHub, you can download it, or git clone, you can clone it from Git. httperf it's available in aptitude also, and Apache benchmark comes with Apache utils. Okay, so performing DOS attack, keep this in your mind, like our web server is running on 10.0.9.1, which is CentOS machine running Apache, and attacker IP is 10.0.9.2, which is running a Kali Linux, okay, which is my base machine. So first we are covering a GoldenEye because it's really easy to use. Using GoldenEye is like /goldeneye.py, and in second option we are defining protocol, IP address or server name, and URI. So and third one is method, which method we want to use. So here you can see we are using HTTP protocol. It means GoldenEye assume that your HTTP is running on port number 80. If it's not on 80, you have to define it. And second is 10.0.9.1 is our server IP address, and /users/login, it's a URI where we are performing our denial of service attack. And M stands for method, which method we are using. So here we are using random method. So it simultaneously use a get and post method. Okay, so here I will start our attack. So let me show you something. Where is my web server? It's 10.0.9.1/user/login. Here is a web server and it's running a Snorby application. So we will perform attack using GoldenEye from here, /opt/GoldenEye. Where is that? It's capital G. Okay, and here is GoldenEye.py, and yes, I think this parameter is enough. And method again, and see how it start. Or okay, so default this is start 10 worker running 500 connection each. So here we can see the performance, our website goes slow down. You can see it taking time, but still it's loading. Again the website got overload. So this is how GoldenEye work, and this is how quick GoldenEye kills our server. You can see on server side how many connection got open. Open AUX, pipe grape, HTTPD, and we will see the count. Or see, this is how this much HTTPD connections are open here. we can count here. We'll count this. It's 258. It's my stack. I had set a connection limit up to 258 and it makes pull within a minute. So this is how GoldenEye is easy, and it's a really awesome script written by Jan Seidel. Okay, to skip a GoldenEye, you should press Ctrl C as it's writing there, and we can see here our site got up again. Okay, so this is how we can kill a website using GoldenEye. Where is the slides? Okay, so now we are moving to our next part, which is performing DOS attack with httperf. httperf is a really awesome tool compiled in C by HP, Hewlett Packard. So here we will see how httperf works. I had compiled it on my system, so I don't need to go to any path and all. It's default. Okay, so for httperf you have to define your server, which is our 10.0.9.1. I think it's without space. Yeah, it's with space. Okay, and your port, which is 80, and your URI, which is /users/login, and --numcon. This numcon stands for number of connection, how many connection you want to establish with server. So I am setting it to 1000. Okay, and there is rate parameter for concurrency of connection. So I want 100 connection in a second. Okay, so our site is running fine here, and now we start a DDoS using httperf. So it started. Now see how it impact. Again site got slow, and hopefully site got heavy loaded. Okay. See, here is a overall analysis of attack that we perform. My web server is able to serve me 665 requests, and it fails to serve me 335 requests out of 1000. Okay, so this is how we can perform attack using httperf on server. And we'll see how is our site got up or not. And yes, it got ups again, and it's 122. It keep decreasing as we close the attack. It keep decreasing. Now we will see how to perform an attack with Apache Benchmark. Apache Benchmark is very well known tool for benchmarking Apache server, and it's really easy to use. It has only two parameters. One is N, is the total number of connection, and -C stand for concurrency of connection. Apache Benchmark is pretty smart. It understand it understand port like GoldenEye. Suppose you had put an HTTP, it will send a traffic to 80 only, and if you are using HTTPS, you have to set it HTTPS, and it will send a traffic to 443. But make sure you had written a proper URI here. In many cases, we used to write a IP and forget to keep a forward slash there, so it causes trouble. So let's see here AB how it works. AB Apache Benchmark hyphen number of connection, which is again 1000, and number of concurrency is 100. Okay, and my website is running on http://10.0.9.1/users/login, and it started. See, site got slow again, site got overloaded, I think. Oh, still responding. It's Apache tool, no? So it, see how fast it completed the 1000 requests. So here are the processing. So my site was able to serve on 100 concurrency, so I should increase this to 200. Let's see what happens. So completed 100 requests. Okay, and site got overloaded using Apache Benchmark. See here, you can see the statistic of request, how many time it takes to connect, and how many total transfer. Here you will get a concurrency level which we had set in 200, so 200 requests per second it goes, and failed here you can see completed request is 1000 and failed request is 570. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion and any queries, you can write it on comments. Keep liking, keep commenting, and you can tweet me at securitybeast, and my website is https colon slash slash www.breakthesync.com, and it's the link of my YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/hacker Kaustubh. Thanks for watching, and thank you.